guys, SuperSaf here, and today we're going to be spending the whole day with the Huawei P30 Pro. Big thanks to Huawei for sponsoring this video. We're going to be going around London and using this as we would, checking out all of its new features and definitely those cameras and the battery life as well. We'll be doing battery life updates throughout the day. Now, I actually forgot to charge this overnight, but that's no problem because we do have Huawei's 40-watt SuperCharge. So I'm going to leave this on charge while I get ready and everything, and then we'll head out. So we've just come out for some brunch, and one thing that I've definitely noticed while using the P30 Pro over the past few days is that the fingerprint scanner is so much faster and definitely more accurate to what we had before. Just here at the London Bridge now. Of course, a perfect location to test out the cameras. Now, not only do we have a 40 megapixel regular camera, we've got an ultra wide so you can get everything into your shot. But the new thing that I'm super excited about is the Telephoto Camera. So this not only gives you 5 times optical zoom, but it can also give you up to 10 times hybrid zoom, which is using both optical and digital zoom. And I gotta say, this is probably the best zoom that I've used on any smartphone camera. As part of the camera setup, the P30 Pro now also has a time of flight sensor. This measures depth information, so for your portrait shots, it's gonna give you better edge detection and also a gradual blur. It's around 5 p.m. now. We've been out for a good few hours, although we did start pretty late. And we've taken lots of images, around 90 images, and we're still on around 72%, which is pretty good. Now, I took a few pictures of Kogan, and he's got the Huawei MateBook X Pro. And this means that we can use Huawei's one-hop feature to instantly, almost instantly, share the images that we took. Boom. And there we go. Right, so the sun has set, it's pretty dark, and it's a perfect situation to test out the low light capabilities of the P30 Pro. And the main sensor, rather than the traditional red, green and blue, which we have on most smartphone camera sensors, the P30 Pro actually has red, yellow and blue, and that lets you absorb in a lot more light. And with Huawei's night mode, you get some great low light shots with ISO sensitivity of over 400,000. Back home in good old Leicester, and it was a really good day in London. Quite enjoy doing these videos, gets me out and just doing something a little bit different. P30 Pro lasted all day long. We had roughly around 4.5 hours of screen on time, took about 110, 115 shots, and we've still got 40% remaining. It's around 11 p.m. right now, and that's definitely quite impressive. This may just be the new battery champ. What did you guys think of this video? Definitely let me know in the comments below, and let me know if you want me to do more videos like this. If you want to pick up a P30 Pro for yourself, then there will be a link in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then do hit that thumbs up button for me. Big thanks to my friend David Kogan, the unlocker, who helped me film throughout the day in London. I'm going to be leaving a link to his channel in the description below, as well as in the end cards. And if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, then be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon, because we've got lots more content coming up on here. Thanks for watching. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV, and I'm gonna try to get some sleep. I'll see you next time.